Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Taqreer speaking from the floor of I-CET Academy. Warm welcome to you all. Here I am presenting a speech on Teachers' Day. This is speech in English. But this is my request to go ahead that if you haven't still subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon, like this video and share it with your friends. A tip of wisdom, a tip of knowledge. I got from where? A room in college. I saw a person with decent feature who taught me lesson and was called teacher. Respected sir and all viewers, I observed a magnificent personality in my life who always felt happiness when I got prize, was pleased when I got success and felt an honor when my name was announced as a topper. It is an ultimate reality that a teacher is the only person who demonstrates a selfless relation with his students. A teacher makes his student a doctor, a lawyer, an engineer, a president, a prime minister, a scientist, a pilot, an explorer, and whatnot. The personality of a teacher is matchless. This person's dignity is speechless. Nobody can measure the depth of a teacher's feelings for his students. A teacher teaches a person all which he doesn't know. The struggle of a teacher is needed in every stage of man's life. I was nothing. He made me diamond. He found me from sea. He named me island. Teacher provides his students the knowledge of world and world hereafter. He is a dark shade in open sunshine. He teaches the good manners to lead a successful life. There are a large number of great teachers who join us, guide us, support us, and make us lucky, who always tell us to join right path in our entire life. A teacher told me the true way of life. He prevented me from dispute and strife. He taught me always the rhymes of peace. He advised me to stay away from rife. A teacher is a benefactor of a nation. People who understand the status of a teacher always respect him, and as a result, they gain their true identity in this world. Respected sir, it has been observed that the nation which spares a high status to its teacher leads all other nations in this world. Every religion preaches its followers to give respect to their teachers. This is true that a teacher nourishes the basis and foundations of a nation. He guides his learners towards those unique ways which lead them at the destiny of profit and victory. I want to tribute my teachers in these words. I was helpless, you held my arm. You guided me how to face the storm. You saved me my present, you adorned my future. You gave me the place high above the culture. My respectable viewers, when we were newcomers in this world, we didn't know the meanings of even simple word. This is a real credit to our teachers who shifted in us the skill of reading and writing. They exposed the hidden treasures to us. They gave us a complete command to cope with the hurdles of the life. Here and there, a word to say. It came again, the teacher's day. My great success, he worked for it. So he is only for whom I pray, it comes again, the teacher's day. He became restless for my relief. I can never forget, I can never pay. It came again, the teacher's day. All in all, I desire the teachers should always be remembered. They should always be given a special place in our society. They should be awarded some special reward for their lifelong services, and they should be respected everywhere they go. I want to end my today's speech with these remarks. You said me to fly in the high up air. You said me to stay at the time of prayer. You said me to stand in the respect of elder. And you said me to live as special, as rare. Thank you very much to all my teachers.